Government of the people, by the people, for the people, shall not perish from the earth. My concern is not whether God is on our side. My greatest concern is to be on God's side, for God is always right. Those who deny freedom to others deserve it, not for themselves. You can fool all the people some of the time, and some of the people all the time, but you cannot fool all the people all the time. The best way to predict the future is to create it. I'm a success today because I had a friend who believed in me, and I didn't have the heart to let him down. Whatever you are, be a good one. Character is like a tree, and reputation like his shadow. The shadow is what we think of it. The tree is the real thing. Please like and subscribe.